everyone, Deronda here with Foods 101. Today I'm showing you how to make these sausage stuffed Monterey mushrooms. You're gonna need a half a pound of sausage. If you wanna use a hot, spicy sage sausage, I'm gonna leave that up to you, but I'm just using the regular sausage today. If you'd like to swap this out for a ground beef, turkey, pork, or even lobster, feel free to do that. 1/4 of a cup of chopped onions, 1 garlic clove, 1 tablespoon of chopped celery and red bell pepper. If you want to use the green bell pepper, you may do that. 3 tablespoons of grated Gruyère cheese. If you want to use a Parmesan cheese, you may do that. 1 teaspoon of freshly chopped parsley. If you don't have fresh parsley, go ahead and use 1/8 of a teaspoon of dried parsley and 1 tablespoon of your Panko breadcrumbs. The star of these shows are these lovely, beautiful Monterey mushrooms. Let me show you how we're going to prepare these. When it comes to purchasing your mushrooms, you want to look for a mushroom with the stem that's attached closely to the mushroom cap. You see there's no edges or gaps in between the stem and the mushroom. This will ensure a lovely fresh mushroom and that it's nice and moist. To clean the mushroom, I like using a pastry brush. Just want to take one of your mushrooms and you see the little speckles on here? It's not going to hurt you, but just to clean it up, I'm going to brush it off. And then even over here, you've got your lovely clean mushroom. Next, we're going to remove the cap. Just you can go counterclockwise or clockwise and gently just pull it from the inside of your mushroom. Now you have this hollow mushroom and you have the stem. Don't throw the stem out. We're going to chop this down and use it into our stuffed mushrooms. Over here to the stove top, I'm browning my sausage. I've been chopping it down because you want it in these small pieces. We're going to add that bell pepper and celery along with the onions, and we're going to saute this for about 3 minutes. That smells and looks so delicious. I'm chopping up the mushroom stems and I'm going to add this over here into our sausage mixture. Woo! And saute this for 5 minutes. I've got a cookie sheet that I'm going to add a little olive oil to. And you can use your fingers and just spread it around. Or if you want to use the back of a spoon, you may do that too. And then we're going to start adding our mushrooms. I like to get a little olive oil on the sides of our mushrooms. Our sausage mixture has cooked and those mushrooms have sauteed down a little. We're going to remove this off the heat. Add your Panko crumbs, that chopped parsley, the grated Gruyère cheese. Give this a lovely little stirring until it's all mixed in. Don't forget that garlic. I'm using a microplane. I'm just going to add that lovely garlic. We've got our mushrooms ready for stuffing. Back to our prepared mushrooms. I've started stuffing my mushrooms and look how beautiful those are. I'm going to show you the simplest way I found to do it. Use a tablespoon measure. Go over here, press it up against your skillet there, grab yourself a mushroom and push it right down into the mushroom cap. And you can use your hands just to make sure it's securely down into your mushroom. But this is my favorite way to stuff these large Monterey mushrooms. Before I pop these into the oven, I like to do a little drizzle of olive oil here on the top of each of our mushrooms. Those mushrooms will absorb that deliciousness. On the top, I'm just going to add a little bit of Panko crumb and a little bit of Gruyère cheese on the top of each of our stuffed sausage mushrooms. Oh my yeah! These are off to a 375-degree preheated oven on the middle rack for the next 20 to 25 minutes. Use your timer and no peeking. Stuffed mushrooms have baked. Look how delicious they look. My whole house smells so yummy. This is my serving tray and I'm adding a little fresh parsley to the top just for a little color. Now it's time to give them a try. They smell so delicious. Let's give these a try. They're still lovely and warm. I'm going to cut it in half so you can see what it looks like on the inside. Okay, you gotta handle them with care. As you can see, look how lovely that is. I'm gonna give it a try. Mmm. Oh, yummy. I need to put this on my own little plate. That sausage, Gruyère cheese, and the onions, and the mushroom. It's absolutely fantastic. And I want to tell you a little secret. It's the first time I've ever made stuffed mushrooms. So if I can do it, I know you all can do it, and you're going to absolutely love my recipe. Fantastic. Hey y'all, I'm Deronda with Foods 101. Leave me a comment, give me thumbs up, follow me here on YouTube and Instagram. Thanks a million for watching, and I'll catch you lovely people later.